It's a cool car. Going to pick up Nanny. Mama. Mama that's got anxiety real bad right now, but she'll be better soon. There she is, waiting there. It's a cool car. Do you want to put all this in the back seat?
Yes.
Or put it in the car?
Heavy.
Is it? You can return this to him.
Yeah.
Hmm?
I'm gonna be hot, I have a feeling.
No, you're not.
Still filming?
Yeah. We're loading up. You never looked in the trunk of this car. I probably should get some fruit. I'm hungry. I ate all that salad though, didn't I? California dreaming, and we're here. Well, what do you think, baby? You ready to go, huh?
Yep.
Let's try to drive to Malibu before we go to the airport.
Okay.
Well, we may not have time. That's Houston time. It's 9:30 here. Yeah, let me have the Amex. I need to get me something. Still got it.
You don't have it?
I don't think so. Yeah, I got it. Never mind. Yeah, that's Exxon's card.